for today's video, I will be doing a room tour. To be honest, I was really hesitant to post this because my room isn't aesthetic and all that, but since a lot of people have been requesting this, I decided to post it anyway. So if you want to see my room, just keep on watching. When you enter my room, this is what you see. So I just have my bed over there, my drawers there. On this side are my bags, and then sa kabilang side naman is my desk. So, itong room actually is yung pinaka-maliit na room, or yung second na pinaka-maliit, because ako lang talaga yung natutulog dito usually, but since nag-start yung quarantine, tatlo kami ng sisters ko natutulog dito, so ang daming pillows dyan. We're gonna start off with this side. Dito sa first hook, I just have my body bags, my small sling bags. Second are my tote bags, and then ito naman are my body bags na mas malaki, and these are my small backpacks, more backpacks here, and then yung gym bag ko, and then lastly are my handbags. So as you can see, I have this wallpaper. I actually bought that sa DV before pa. Yung totoong kulay ng room ko or ng wall ko is brown. Kasi super luma na yung house na to. I think childhood house pa to ng dad ko. So, ayan. Hindi siya pantay kasi pinakabit ko lang siya sa helper ko. So, hindi pantay-pantay pero okay lang yan. And this one naman, I have this sacco bag. Nandiyan yung mga items or mostly clothes na hindi ko na ginagamit. So, I just put them here para nakatago. And then here I have my tripod. This is what I use to film. I have a table here that is usually not here. Nilagay ko lang siya para less clutter. So nilagay ko dyan yung mga packages ko for PR. Ayan, i-haul ko sila soon. I also have an old printer right here. I just put it there, pero ita-transfer ko sa room ng brother ko. Beside this is actually a weighing scale. Binili yan ng brother ko sa Lazada ata. So, ayan, I just put it here. And then, here naman on this side are my makeup drawers. I already did a video on what's inside of these. And then, ito, tinanggal ko na yung mga items dito kasi mga memorabilia siya. Tapos, tinago ko na siya somewhere else. And then, meron akong ito, just random things inside it. May mga necklaces. Actually, I need to go through these. So this one I just got from Miniso. I just put random things here. I have my calendar. It's June 27 today. So beside that, meron akong trash can na nakuha ko sa Japan Homes. I just put plastic para mas madaling tanggalin yung trash kapag napuno. And then on this side, inayos ko din siya. So, I just have my giveaway box here. A random makeup bag. My skincare basket. New skincare items na hindi ko pa nagagamit or nabubuksan. I have my frog here. I have this one. Yung mga pre-loved na hindi ko na nagagamit. Another makeup bag. And then, these are my most used shoes. Yung ibang shoes ko, transfer ko na din sa shoe rack namin sa labas ng room para less clutter dito. Beside that is my bed. So, ayan, ang daming ang pillows. Usually, 2 lang ginagamit ko. Actually, itong 2 pillows yung akin, and then ito yung kumot ko. Tapos, ito naman sa sisters ko na yan. I just have my nightstand. Ang dumi dito kasi ang alikabok sa room ko. Pero, ayan, I just have a lamp there. This is what I use when I want to read at night. And also, I have this beside my bed. It's like what I put on my head kapag meron akong headaches or migraines. I have here a drawer. It just has my wallet. I also have my charger and earphones because I use them at night. Okay, on this side, I just have my luggage. Tapos inside that, meron ding travel bag. And I just got this name tag, I think from Annie. I only use this once because I've only been out of the country once when I went to Taiwan. And then I have this big box. So, lahat ng clutter ko nakatago dito. I have my, oh my god, yung mga boxes ng gadgets ko. This is my phone, my camera. Ito yung box ng watch ko. Ayan lang, nakalagay lang dyan lahat. My broken ring light is here. Coloring box. A PR box from Benefit before. Ito yung mga papers or mga reviewers ko from NMAT, yearbook. Ayan, basta ang daming random stuff. I also have a lot of books here kasi I don't want any clutter in my room and hindi ko naman sila binabasa. So, beside this box is my aircon. It's really dirty right now. Wala rin yung cover kasi pinalinis ko. So, ayun, I have to clean that soon. But beside my aircon is my closet. And let's start here from the bottom. I actually cleaned this. Mas maayos na siya from before. Meron akong mga paper bags. Ayan, just in case I need it. I have the box that my laptop came from. Yung box ng tripod ko, kinikip ko talaga sila just in case I'm gonna give it to someone. More plastics here, like bubble wrap, just in case I need to use it to pack something. Box ng ring light. I have a Monopoly board game that I borrowed from Anton. The Eco Bricks na iba pa naming na puno na. My old books, mostly comparative anatomy, physics. I have a, ano ba tawag dito? Scrapbook that I made for school, I think. Here, I just have some random papers, plastic cover, my NMAT reviewers. Ayan, dito ako sa uplink nag-review. Meron akong mga extra brown envelopes, other folders. Here on the second drawer, I just have random things I plan to use for med school, like notebooks. Nandito na din yung yellow pad ko, mga index cards, yung pencil case na gagamitan ko, a flash drive I plan to use. Ayan. Ito yung mga gagamitin ko for med school. And med school starts on August, so if you want videos about that, my experience, just let me know because I plan to do that anyway. And then on the last drawer, I just have more scrapbooks that I've made before. Random notebooks that I have na I can still use. So, nilagay ko na sila dito. Kasi baka magamit ko pa ibang pages. Now, for my actual closet, I just have the towels I use here. I usually use 2 towels, one for my hair and then one for my body. And then I have a cap here. I have all my jackets or outerwear here, dresses, and all my tops. And they're somehow color coordinated. Here naman, I have yung mga shirts na pantulog ko, leggings or any workout pants, workout tops, ayan, mga shirts. I have my skirts, socks, and headbands there, denim jeans, trousers here, and culottes. I have tank tops here, shorts, cycling shorts here at the back. I also have my alkansya here, and then ito din pala. Kakalinis ko lang. Ito yung mga makeup bags ko and other tote bags. At the back, I just have denim shorts. And I think that's it. And also, I have sports bras here, bras, underwear, tube tops, and swimwear here, pillowcases, and belts, I think. Tapos, random box, and then, actually, snacks yung mga yan. Like, dito, this is my period box. I just have chocolates here. Ayan. I just have Reese's and ano na lang, Butterfinger. So, ayun lang yung chocolates ko. Okay, so here I just have my desk. And by the way, I have a fan here, if you can hear. Pero ayan, it just has a light switch. Just have my Acer laptop here. I have a psych book because when I'm bored, this is what I read. And ayan, I also take notes in this book or notebook pala. And I also have my pens here, my ruler because I have a bullet journal. I usually have water here. I just have a Starbucks cup that I use. This is my Ponderang Pinoy. I have my phone right here. On top, meron din pala akong lalagyan, and I have some of my books here for med. Galing to sa cousin ko kasi nag-medicine din siya, so she just gave it to me. I have the Atlas for Human Anatomy, and then Biochem book. So far, yun pa lang yung mga books na meron ako. And mostly are on PDF nandito. So, yun yung mga inaaral ko sometimes when I'm bored. And also, I have a drawer right here. I have a coloring book. I have my groceries here. Notebooks here. This one has my rings. And then, this one naman has my earrings. A small ring light. I have stickers here. My contacts. Uno cards, yung laman yan. My school ID. College school ID, but I don't need that anymore. Car keys, and I think that's it. And also, I have this box. Nakalagay dito yung mga cotton rounds ata dati. So, dito ko na nilalagay yung mga power banks ko. Camera charger. I also have here my hard drive. So, ayan. I just put it here para walang wires na nakaklutter. By the way, I also have a chair, pero nasira yung backrest niya. But yeah, that's still what I use. Another printer. Ito yung printer namin na ginagamit ngayon kasi yung pinakita ko dyan, sira. So, yun yung ilalagay ko sa brother's room ko. Ito yung ginagamit namin. I just have the wires for the printer. I have this box. This has all my photos that I have. Wait lang. This is for the printer. Basta may mga random photos ako dito. Look at this. This is Austin when he was a kid. I just have a lot of old photos here. I also have these notebooks that I usually use for scratch paper. And meron dito isang notebook na ginamit namin recently ng sisters ko kasi, ayan, naglalaro kami ng games. I have more notebooks. This is my planner. This is my food journal. I always write down what I eat, how many minutes I work out, what's my weight for that week. I have my mirror, my brush, and my comb. Just gonna put these back here. So dito naman on this top drawer, I have another measuring tape. I have a Ron's photo here kasi this is usually on my phone, pero parating nababasa yung phone ko. Ayan o, nasisira na siya, and ayoko na masira yung photo na to, so I just put it there. I have more flash drives here, random medicines, my vitamin C. On the second drawer, I just have some of my jewelry, so just random things. And then here, I just have random things. I have a comb, double-sided tape, a lot of notepads just in case, yung contacts case, ano tawag dito, yung mga clips, tape, tweezers, nail cutter, and random things. Kapag tinatamad ako pumunta sa side na yan, I have extra skincare here. So, ito, as you can see, ang dami ko nang nagamit. Ito yung usual kong ginagamit kasi tinatamad ako. So, na-spray ko lang to as my toner. And then, for my ang tawag dito, moisturizer, I have the Lux Organics. I have a room spray para mabango yung room. And this one, this is one of the things I'm trying to use up. This is the M+ cream. I have my perfume here. I have this BLK parang lunchbox. I actually put here like money from other countries. So far Taiwan lang. And then this one, I just have my glasses case from Sunny's Face, and these are my pink glasses from Firmu, cotton, and I just have coins here. A lot of face masks. So ayan, you just order this in Shopee. I also have some from Miniso that I bought before. And ito, actually, cup yan na nakuha ko sa Benefit, pero hindi ko pa siya ginagamit because I still don't need it. And then lastly, I just have two books right here because this one I actually read, or am planning to read after I read this one. Ito yung Biopsychology. I really love these. Super interesting talaga ng psych. So, ayan. And this is the Game of Self-Discovery, Psychology. Parang psychology din siya. And I just use this or play this with my sisters. So ayan, I have these books out because I use them. Okay, so that is it for my room tour. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other video suggestions, just comment down below and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!